Kunasatosha, Foil to Fish on this Mission Mokong X3M. Right, I'm here in Manila. We're here on holidays in the Philippines. Joined the kids, have just gone to get some drinks. We stayed for 2 nights here in Manila in this hotel called Heroes Hotel. I believe it's a new hotel. We're recording this in 2019, and I think the hotel is only like a year old at this stage. The theme of the hotel, as you probably guessed from the title of the name of the hotel, is heroes. Either superheroes, mostly comic books obviously, and real life heroes in some senses. So like down the lobby, which I'll show you later on, it's just full of comic book stuff and just pop culture, little Easter eggs all over the lobby, and the rooms have different themes as well. So we're on the 7th floor here. This is a superior room. You can see it's a city hotel, so don't expect too much from the views. It's obviously going to be city views, and it looks like there's an actual there's a new motorway under construction outside the hotel as well. But it's not too far from anything, depending on traffic, and traffic in Manila can get pretty bad sometimes if you've never been here. Be prepared. It's about 20 minutes from the airport, Terminal 3, where we arrived yesterday, and 20 minutes to SM Mall of Asia and the Manila Bay area. That's without traffic, so with the traffic that we had yesterday, it took us about 40 minutes to get there and about 40 minutes back in the evening. So the room that we're staying in is room 704 on the 7th floor, as I mentioned. The theme of this room is Mount Everest. So as you can see on this wall here, let's show you the outside of the room. This is the, there we go, room 4 and Everest. And we have stuff here, looks like a signature, copy of a signature of Edmund Hillary, the first person to climb Mount Everest there. The clock above the telly got Mount Everest on it. This wall here has some Filipinos that have completed the climb of Everest. Some information here on Hillary's trek up with Tenzing, and newspaper clipping, and I think there's another one here. Yeah, another copy of the newspaper of when Mount Everest was first climbed. The room itself, as you can see, is a superior room, so it's 2 areas. There's the bedroom area there and the kind of living area here with the telly. This sofa here is a sofa bed. It folds down into a bed, and it's got Bluetooth speakers in it as well, which is pretty cool. I actually want one of those for home if I could actually find one. And the bedroom area is pretty spacious as well. Nice decent sized bed, very comfortable. Obviously me and Joy are here with the kids. The kids slept here on the sofa bed, and me and Joy were obviously here. And my kids at this time of recording are 8 and 5 years old, so still quite small. I would say if you had older kids, maybe like 10, 11 years old, if you had 2, I don't know if this would be enough space. Another bed maybe might be helpful. They do obviously have other types of rooms. There is a quad room, which is actually 2 bunk beds, and I think that's mostly for a it's like a hostel style room, so it'd be more geared towards backpackers who don't mind sharing with other people. So yeah, this is the room. The other from the other rooms on this floor that I saw as we passed, there was also a Beatles themed room. The first room on this floor, 701, is themed to, I can't remember the name of the girl, but it's some sort of Filipino person here who's like the oldest or last living generation of traditional tattooing here in the Philippines, where they do it by needle, by hand. So there was a Beatles room as well, and there was a space room, or first astronauts on the moon. The kids are coming back now. And there was also an Avengers room, and someone was already using that when we checked in. I would really love to get the Avengers room, because that one looked really cool in the pictures. Kids are here now. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Okay. Hi. Hi, Dad. So I could make my video.
outside of here, this hotel here.